Millionaire Marketer.
If you're a college student, you might want to stick around for this video because in today's video, I reveal how you can make money as a broke student in college who have $0 in his or her bank account. You might want to stick around to find out. Before we continue, if you love videos about making money online, YouTube growth, consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell icon. That way I can send you daily notification whenever I post a video. Also, for those of you interested in learning how to generate $1,000 or even more per day, there will be a link down in the description, the very first one. It's gonna take you to this page where you will sign up and you will instantly get access to the 3-step system
And register for the free training.
Now, you don't need to take my words for it. If you scroll down the page, you're going to see people just like you and me making success with this system. Now, going back to the video, the first business module we're going to be talking about today is dropshipping. Now, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a supply chain management method in which the retailer does not buy the stock. You as an intermediary, you do not own the stock. Instead, you transfer customer orders and shipment details to either the manufacturer or the wholesaler or another retailer you're buying from. Now, you are not buying the product in dropshipping. You only serve as an intermediary between customer and manufacturers or wholesalers or those who the customers want to buy from. Now, how do you get started with dropshipping? Dropshipping is very easy to get started. As a matter of fact, you can get started for free using Etsy, or you can get started with little amount of money. You can get started with Shopify. But in today's video, we're not focusing on little amount of money, but we're focusing on no amount of money at all. So we're going to go with Etsy. Now, basically, what you do at Etsy is a marketplace, right? So you need Printify to corroborate with Etsy. Now, what do you do at Printify? You create product, right? Those products you create, you sell them on Etsy. Now, just imagine you're creating a product, a t-shirt, right? You can sell that t-shirt on Etsy. Etsy is a marketplace and it's very free to get started. I've made a video, in case you've not watched the video, I've made a video previously about how to get started with Etsy and Printify dropshipping with no money at all. You can watch the video over here. Now, that is number one video and it's totally free for you to get started. And one advantage is you're going to learn some basic skills on how to sell, how to market for free using Etsy. You're going to learn some basic skills, and you can, if you even have some amount of money, you can even run ads on Etsy. But I don't recommend that for now. If you don't have money, just get started for free using Etsy and just use your social media, maybe Facebook, maybe Instagram or Pinterest, and send traffic to your store and make some cash selling maybe a t-shirt or a ring which you do not create yourself. You only send the customers to Printify to place your orders. The second business module we're going to talk about is teaching online. Now, people really underestimate teaching online. As a matter of fact, you don't even need to be a professor to teach online. Basically, as a college student, you can even teach what you're being taught in school online. Maybe if you have some basic skill sets such as marketing skills or sales skills or even designing logos or website design, you can teach them online. You don't need any basic skill, any pro skills, or to be a legendary in something to teach online. The basic skill you have, you can teach them online for a price. Now, you can teach people such knowledge for a price, and you can leverage websites such as Udemy. It's totally free to get started. As you can see, I even have an account in Udemy, and I don't sell on Udemy, but I am a student on Udemy. I learn about Google Ads, as you can see, and you can be that person who creates Google course, who will create courses, maybe about things you learn in your college or about a skill set that you have, and sell them on Udemy. Now, Udemy can be very tricky sometimes when getting started because you have to go under some verification. Now, you might pass the verification. However, if you do not pass the verification, what better way to get started selling online than YouTube? YouTube is the second largest search engine in the whole world, and you can get traffic. What better way to get traffic than using the second largest search engine? Now, this is not going to work overnight, both Udemy and YouTube. You have to work. If you're willing to put in the work, maybe some extra time, you can get started making some couple of $100, maybe $200 or even $500 a day. Who knows? Just get started. Find something that works for you. Now the third business module we're going to talk about is freelancing. Now this is very underestimated also, because people underestimate the fact that they have skills and how can they offer these skills to the marketplace. Thank God for Fiverr. Thank God for Fiverr, guys. You can go over to Fiverr. If you know how to design logo or website or anything at all, you have any service you can render in Fiverr, you can literally make money online. There are thousands of people making thousands of dollars, thousands of figures, 5 figures, 6 figures online as freelancers on Fiverr. Now Fiverr is an easy way for you to get started. It doesn't have much verification. All you need to do is just to follow the terms and regulations and you're good to go on Fiverr. And as I've said earlier, you don't need to be a guru in anything for you to start making money online. Little skill you have, little skill you underestimate can make you thousands and thousands of dollars in as much as you're willing to put in the work. Make it happen. Now the fourth one is literally not my best because I haven't done it before. It is not my best. I haven't done it before, but people, it's very simple to get started. Now if you have a textbook online, if you have a textbook offline, or a textbook you bought from a library or a bookshop, now you can literally just scan that textbook and sell them on a website. Now this website is called Bookscholar, and if you scroll down to this Bookscholar, you're going to see people selling for $30, $75, name it. You have your book, you name the price, but make it reasonable. And this is one way to learning how to even sell and marketing skills, as in every step you take in making money online in college is a simple step or a foundation to building your skill, to building a skill set, maybe marketing skill or a sales skill. Now if you have a textbook right now watching this video, book that textbook right now and go and scan that textbook and sell it on Bookscholar. Now I saved the last for the best, obviously, because I love affiliate marketing. I love affiliate marketing so much, and it is the business I do in college. As I've said earlier, I am a college student and I do affiliate marketing because I make a ton of money from it. Now I am not promising you anything in affiliate marketing, but I am telling you it is one of the simplest business to get started, in as much as you have the right training and strategies to get started. Now it took me a while to figure out affiliate marketing, and as a matter of fact I spent over a year doing affiliate marketing without making a dime. But when I figured it out, it was really easy for me to get started. It really easy for me when I figured it out. So it might take time for you to figure out what business module really works for you as a student, but as for me, as I've said earlier, affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? I forgot to even define it for you. Affiliate marketing is basically referral. You refer customers to a product that you don't own, but when they purchase the product, you make a commission from it. As simple as that sound, right? But it's not that simple. You have to be able to be so convincing that the customer will buy the product and you make commission. Now how do you do that? It's through landing pages, traffic you send, and I'm not going to go into details of affiliate marketing because this video is not about that. But if you want to learn about affiliate marketing in details, you might want to go to the very first link in the description, my number one recommendation, and check it out. As a matter of fact, different people from different parts of the world really need shortcuts. So I want to give you a shortcut to affiliate marketing if you want to get started. A very shortcut. Go to the very first link in my description and get started with affiliate marketing. It's very easy. If you put in the work, if you put in the mindset for affiliate marketing, the mindset for success, you're gonna make success. Now here comes the end of this video. If you really love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the like button and comment below which business module do you want to get started, and maybe I can render a helping hand to you. Comment below which one do you want to get started with, which one do you love, which one is easy for you to get started. I want to know. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. I can send you daily notification personally whenever I post a video. For now, peace out.